Yo, what's up guys? Winya Stella, and got a package in the mail today from our friend Legitimacy X. I put that over there so you couldn't tell where addresses are for other reasons. So I guess what I'm gonna be doing is an unboxing for you guys today from our friend Legit. So thank Legitimacy X. Thank you so much, man. You the man. So let's just get right into this unboxing. Alright, Bear Grylls. Perfect. Alright, so let's find out where we want to cut. Right here, so it looks good. Sorry about this. Open this side. Having troubles. Oop, almost just stabbed myself in the hand. Alright. So, that was I guess that was a bad place to try to open it. Let's not open it there. Let's try to open it from this side. Didn't mess around when they... Oh, here we go. Got the opening. Yeah. There. Alright. So what we're going to do is just take one of these out, each one at a time. First thing. Oh, we got a note. Here we go. Dear Colby Clutch. Post office broke. Go the boxes have been shrunken and I couldn't fit in cases enclosed or the discs and cover art. Some pamphlets. That spelling dough. Yes, I spelled dough in that way. Love Legitimacy X. There we go. So, here we go. We got cover art for Battlefield Bad Company 2. Ultimate Edition. Nice. Another Battlefield Bad Company 2. Oh yeah, Family Guy, Stewie Griffin, The Untold Story. Volume 4, 4-disc set. Nice. Volume 3, 3-disc set. Oh yeah. Volume 2, 3-disc set. Yeah. I like it. Partial terms of indulgement. Here we go. Medal of Honor Warfighter, Project Honor Edition, plus Walmart exclusive documentary. Let's see. Fallout New Vegas. Here we go. That's a game he really wanted me to play. So, and for the games, here we go. Wait, we have something else in here. Nope, different, another Fallout New Vegas thing. All right. Here we go. Alright, so first, here we go. We got the partial terms. Let's see what we got in it. We got partial terms 1. Here we got Fallout New Vegas. And Stewie Griffin, An Untold Story. Wow, what in good condition as well. Not being sarcastic. Now for the second disc set. Battlefield Bad Company 2, Ultimate Edition. Nice. Medal of Honor. Warfighter. Nice. Medal of Honor Warfighter. Which one's this? Disc 1 multiplayer. This one is campaign, single player. If you guys want to see a playthrough of that, I would definitely do it. So tell me if you do, 'cause I will do it. Here's the third one. Another Family Guy, Volume 3. Volume 3, episodes 5 through 8. And Volume 3, 9 through 13. Nice, nice. I'm pumped to watch those. Wow, he sent me a lot of good stuff. Legit, you are the man. And last but not least, Family Guy Disc 1, Season 1, Episodes 1 through 7. Episodes 1 through 7, Season 2. Season 3, Episodes 8 through 14. And Disc 4, Episodes 5 through 21. Nice. So, as you guys can see, sent me quite a bit of good stuff. So, legit, you are the man. Love you, bro. And you guys can thank him for all of this good stuff for to be on the channel. So, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you have not. I am Winya Stella, guys. Another thank you to Legitimacy X, and I am signing out. Bye, guys. Peace.